Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're ready about the title, y'all, we finna clean this house. This apartment, actually. I ain't got a house yet, but we finna clean it, y'all. So I've been going through it for a month. Like in October when I cleaned my place, it was spotless for a whole month, and then life's just been lifing. So here we are again, finna clean again. So don't talk about me, okay? So let me just show y'all everything. It's really not bad in my opinion. I just gotta make up my bed, get this stuff from right there. All that came from when I was just in Georgia, so I gotta get that up. But really it's my living room, y'all. Like, it's not terrible. Like, let y'all see. So like Sephora stuff, PR packages, it's not bad. I can do that. And then my kitchen, but my kitchen is not good, not bad at all either. Like, there's really nothing there, just a little bit of dishes in the sink. But I do want to say the Christmas tree is here. So after this video, y'all already know what's coming on. We gonna decorate. But let's go ahead and get to cleaning. If you haven't already, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. We're on the road to 1,500, y'all. And this is Vlogmas day 9. Yeah, I think it's 9. So we're gonna get the cleaning so I can edit this and get this out today. And then, like I said, we're gonna be decorating the place for Christmas. I'm so excited, y'all. I'm a week behind on that, but I'm excited to still do it. But yeah, so we finna get ready and clean, y'all. I'm not gonna talk. It's just gonna be music playing while y'all watching me because I thought that was the best option. So let's stop rambling. Let's get the cleaning so I can go ahead and decorate.
2:30, baby, won't you meet me by the beach? 2:30, baby, later you can show me things. You know what it is whenever I visit. Any city, she blowing me kisses. No, 30 degrees, way too cold for only time. Well, I see you at the show tonight. Well, I see you at the show tonight. 2:30, baby, won't you meet me by the beach? 2:30, maybe later you can show me things. You know what it is whenever I visit. Any city, she blowing me kisses. 30 degrees, way too cold, so hold me tight. Will I see you at the show tonight? Will I see you at the show tonight?
Truck to the plane, to the truck to the hotel lobby. Me, I go through underground garages, presidential suite on deposit, elevator up to the phone, shower up and then we hit the club. Touchdown, gotta see what's up. Area code in my phone. What numbers do I still have? Who do I know from the past? Hit one, she say she got a man. Hit another one, it goes green. Must have changed photos on the team. Remember when you left me in between? That was 2017. All good. Just to look around, find one to see my type. Now my dog and he know what I like. He done found me plenty in my life. Problem is I meet a girl tonight, then I go and treat her too nice. Yellow red credit card swipes. I don't even know if she a wife, but I do know one thing though. Women, they come, they go. Saturday through Sunday, Monday through Sunday, yo. Baby, I'll love you one day. Maybe we'll someday grow. Till then, I sit my drunk ass on that runway, on this runway.
2:30, baby, won't you meet me by the beach? 2:30, maybe later you can show me things. You know what it is whenever I visit. Any city, she blowing me kisses. No, 30 degrees, way too cold, so hold me tight. Will I see you at the show tonight? Will I see you at the show tonight? Hold me tight, hold me tight.
could blame it on your lips, your touch, your kiss, you know, real traditional. But your love's too original. You were anything but conventional. Baby, did you know that from the moment we fell in and knew we couldn't fall back, knew I'd always crawl back. Cause baby, it's the everything for me, for me, for me. Baby, it's the everything for me, for me, for me. Cause baby, it's the everything for me, for me, for me. Baby, it's the everything for me, for me, oh, for me. But coming from that pretty mouth, the truth is fitting. Cause you ain't never talking loud and you know plenty. You know what I'm talking about, cause you just get me. Yeah, you so pretty. If everything is dipped in gold, then baby it will never grow. Everything sweet ain't sugar coated. What a lie. What a lie. What a lie. What a lie. Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want?
My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch front like Jackie Brown. I wanna know if she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
It's not going what I want.
need some me time.
Hope you doing what you want.
Crib by the beach like Odell. Over more, my killers don't tell. Shadow my mark of the New York the shelf. Now my bitch is the Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
It's not going what I want.
get some me time.
Hope you doing what you want. Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want.
In the meantime,
Just not doing what I want.
get some me time.
You doing what you want.
In the meantime,
Just not doing what I want.
get some me time.
You doing what you want.
Maybe I'll love myself, I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. See me in the mirror, I duck myself. Don't need muscle, fuck my wealth.
All right, everyone, and that is it for today's video. Now, I did not really do a lot of cleaning. It was almost like a mini clean or so, because I ain't really had that big of a mess in my opinion. Once again, in my opinion, but that's really it for today's video, y'all. Now, there's some stuff that I couldn't move yet, y'all, because it's like Christmas decorations. So if you want to see that video, that will be tomorrow's video of me decorating for the holidays and doing all that, y'all. I'm so excited, it's ridiculous. But as I hope you all enjoyed this mini cleaning video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. We're on the road to 1,500, y'all. And yeah, thank you all for joining me on this Vlogmas series, and I will see y'all tomorrow with Vlogmas Day 10. Bye.